Industrial Dehumidifier LB-14IND offers a dehumidification capacity of 168 liters per day at 30 degrees Celsius and operates efficiently within a temperature range of 5 to 38 degrees Celsius. It is equipped with a digital display, enabling efficient humidity control in warehouses and production facilities. Features: user-friendly digital interface. Makes setting adjustments simple and quick with an intuitive display. Flexible drainage system. Allows for continuous water removal without the need to empty a tank manually. Effortless mobility. Equipped with durable wheels for easy transport across different areas. Washable air filter. Reusable filter ensures clean air output and reduces maintenance costs. Auto defrost function. Keeps the system running smoothly by preventing ice formation during cold conditions.